Welcome back to Android tutorials, and in this video I am going to show you how to add a share preference in our Android Studio. With the help of share preference, I am going to add or check if user is first time, then we are going to redirect them to our onboarding screen that we had created in our previous video. And if a user is second time, then from splash screen we are going to load them in dashboard directly, so that our user will not face the onboarding screen again and again. So let's begin our today's Android tutorial without wasting time. So this video will be very short, so watch this video completely. Within 2 or 3 minutes, I am going to say you how to add a share preference in our Android Studio. So do you remember that we have created a handler with post delayed method? In that we had directly created a logging, a new intent for our logging, and then we had changed it to onboarding screen so that we can able to see that onboarding screen. Now we are going to check if user is first time, then we are going to uh, add one shared preference, and we are going to edit that to be second. And after that, when user again start our application, it will redirect it to the dashboard activity without moving the onboarding screen. You can also use this shared preference to store your values, but now we are going to use it for transformation. First, we are going to write shared preference onboarding screen. This shared preference name is onboarding screen is equal to get shared preference, and we are going to write a name of our shared preference, that is onboarding screen related shared preference. In that we have to mode it private because our application only going to use this shared preference. Then we are going to create one boolean, that name is first time. Then onboarding screen dot get boolean. So in that we are going to pass first time as a string and then return true. And then we are going to add if statement in is first time. So if is first time means user is in first time, then we are going to write share preference dot editor, and with the help of this editor we are going to edit our onboarding screen shared preference, and in that we are going to put the value of our boolean to be false. And remember to add this name as same as this, and then editor dot apply. So then we are going to start our intent, and don't forget to finish this method after you complete this if statement. And after we are going to write else, we are going to user in logging intent or a dashboard intent. So we are going to check that in our next video, but now we are going just looping it to main activity and then in finish. So when we run our application, then Android Studio will first check a shared preference of onboarding screen, and if they found that this is first time, then we are going to load this intent, else this intent, and then it will finish. So thanks for watching this Android tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.